Download the app from Google Play Store. After the installation, allow the app permissions it needs. Fill in the login credentials, which you can find in the email you were sent. And then click on Sign In. Once the sign-in process is complete, you would be on the home screen of the Ultimate CA app. Here, you can see two options on the top of the screen: CA Online and CA Offline. You have to select the CA Offline option. Select your course. For example, you can see we are selecting CA, a Foundations Quantitative Aptitude by CA Apranav Popat. Select the lecture you wish to watch. Click on Download. Now your downloading has begun. All you have to do now is wait patiently for the downloading to complete. Once the download is completed, click on Play. Your lecture has begun. You can change the speed of the lecture to adapt to your learning speed. All you need to do is pause the lecture. Pausing the lecture is important.